Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Welcome to Sterling Yen. It is 10:04 a.m. on May 27th, 2025. And I'm going to tell you, this cross has been resilient. It has been resilient since it made the low at 192.05 on May 23rd. It's been nothing but rocket fuel. Nothing but rocket fuel. So dollar yen surprising, rallying up off of the 142.10 last night. Very wild markets, very wild markets. So how we stand in sterling yen today? Well, we're approaching that 196.47 resistance level that we had, that we have in the marketplace. Now, if we can get through this, we're looking at 197-ish. But, let's take it one step at a time. Let's not get too overly crazy because we can get some pullbacks in this, which would be healthy. So right now, as it stands, sterling yen sitting right at 195.40. I have the support coming in today at 194.76. 194. I'll go right here, 194.71. That's close enough. I got the support on the day right there. It's all going to depend on dollar yen, and we're going to get into dollar yen right now because cable basically isn't making new highs. It's still contained within a range. It hasn't broken out completely yet, just like the euro dollar, kind of contained in a range. But dollar yen's the one that's making all the noise, as usual. Now, we're going to get into that currency right after this, but that's the point on the day. 194.71. If we can hold above 194.71, we could potentially get to that 196.47 in the next couple of days. If you get a pullback here and you're a sterling yen bull, you want to watch price action here. If we close below it, we could be heading down to, say, I don't know, 190. It's too low. Let's go 194. 194, like, I'll go the figure, or 193.97, like right around there. 193.93 would be the next line of defense for this cross. Let's go right there. That's fine. 193.99. All right, so this is the level. So if you're a bull and you hadn't gotten long, well, you're probably going to, either just buy it, put a stop loss below 194.70, and look for the the top to come in around 196.47, where there'll be resistance, where we can get a pullback again. Let's go over to good old dollar yen. Do I have dollar yen here? This thing was unbelievable. Let's go to a 4-hour chart in dollar yen. Now, if you're a follower of the news, right, or financial news, like I believe the CPI came in higher than expected, which would have meant that, hey, there's a rate hike of coming, and the Bank of Japan is going to hike rates. But look at this, man. It absolutely didn't want to pay attention to it. All right, so we had the support line at 142.57. All right, it broke that. It went down to the low of 142.10. If you notice, this is a 4-hour chart, so we closed below it. Marketplace just could not get any more sellers. Turned right around and closed above it, right above our point, which led to this natural, rally happening right here. Now the next level of resistance is 144.94. As it stands right now, I'm going to go dollar yen. Has to hold like 144 the fig. 140. I'll go 143.91 right now. It's kind of close to it. I don't know if this is a trap. This might be a trap. Whereas the big institutional guys led all us retail people by the nose and let us into this, but they're not going to fool us. They're not going to fool us. A break of 144. I'll bring this down even a little bit better. I'll go 144. 143. I'm sorry, 143.88. A break of 143.88 is concerning for dollar yen bulls. We could get pulled back into this range right here again, and then a break of this new low that we have actually should confirm lower levels. If we look at market structure, we got a low. We have basically, if I go from here, all right, I got a high, I got a low, I got a lower high, I got a deeper low. Right now, I need to break and go higher than this point here for market structure to actually say, hey, we're shaking off the dollar yen, the dollar weakness. If we can't, if we stay below this point, okay, and then we turn back down, that's a classic market structure going lower. So it would be great. It would be a perfect trap. Trap would be set. People are thinking, oh, we're going up, and then the damn thing turns around as usual, which is great, leads to opportunity. So that's what we got going on in dollar yen. Let's get over to good old sterling dollar. I got sterling dollar up. I got sterling yen. I'll just change this chart to sterling dollar. As we could see, sterling dollar itself made the high close to 136. Hasn't been able to break through. It hasn't really gone any lower. I mean, it's basically staying in a range right now. It's holding its own, cable. Cable is definitely holding its own. Let's see where we are here. Whew. Really, the level that we have to watch is like right here. 135, say, I'm going to move this up. So this is a 4-hour. I'm going to go 135 right here. That low, this 4-hour low bar's closed. If we get, if this thing breaks down, it means dollar yen's continuing its rally, and this can slightly drift lower to where? Let me look. Where are you, dog? Where are you, sterling dollar dog? 134.50, like right here, 134.50. Okay, I'll go there, 134.49. So if it breaks this closest below, we could drift lower to this. It's been resilient, okay? However, if we break lower than this point, all right, and then we turn around and break upward, that's a classic trap. That was classic bear trap getting executed where the marketplace could then rally and go up to like 136, like 50, 136.87. All right, let's move on over to good old euro yen. Euro yen, here we go. This is another one. I'm going to tell you a trade I took last night. Called it at like 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I went short at 162, like 52, 53. Stop loss was 85. I was really looking for a take profit at 162.08. 162.08. The low was 162.08. I would never have been able to get them because it would have probably went 8 bid but no 8 offer, and I would have been eating crow. But last evening I said, I was exhausted. I said, I'm escaping at 15, 162.15, for no other reason other than I was really tired and I didn't really want to watch the market, but I would have probably got myself out also at the same price. So I can't say that I would have done anything differently. I had a short-term target there. It hit, and then look at this, a complete reversal. And what I was really looking at for the target, if I go, let me go to a 4-hour chart. I'll show you. This way you can see, my crazy mentality, okay? I was looking at this. Where is it? Where is that low bar's close? Right here on the 4-hour. I was thinking 89, but as I went back into this, I said, I don't think we're gonna make this. So I went into here and I found this level right there, 162.14. So we could probably get down to 08, but so that's why I escaped at 162, like 15. I got out, I'm happy I got out because look at where we are right now. So what does it stand right now? Well, we got resistance at 164.08. Again, we're depending on dollar yen. If dollar yen continues its upward momentum, we could see a push, a breakout of this, and we could be rallying to, I'm not going to say 165.19. I'm thinking we could rally to like 164.40 before we get another breath. As it stands right now, we're making the high at 93. Short term, this thing's got to hold 34. So I'm going to put a level up there. let's get a horizontal ray. 34. I'll go like right there. Oh, that's two. There it goes. 38, 34, like that. It's got to hold this level. Let's fatten these up so we can see them a little bit better. That's the level it has to hold. So if you're a Euro-Yen bull, all right, you may want to buy a dip close to that point. You're going to want to watch that point very carefully. If it breaks down through that point, dollar-yen is starting to falter. Because, like I said, I think euro-dollar and sterling-dollar in a range. It's not really, this cross is not really going to be affected so much by those straight up currencies. But dollar-yen is the one, man. Dollar-yen is the one that's been messing with us. So 163, say 40, 38, 40, you're going to want to watch. You know, if you got a dip down here and you're a bull, you might want to take a long off of it, trying to get through 164.08. If we close below it, you know, I would say, we're probably drifting back down to 163 the figure, and potentially even 162.56 in the next couple of days. So I don't think it's happening today. So anyway, that's what I got for you guys. If you like what you see, please smash the like button, subscribe, share my videos far and wide. I want to build a big trading community. Can't do it without you. Leave some comments for me. You know, YouTube loves comments. I never get any. I don't know why. I just get those stupid things about like my Binance wallet or something. I'm like, why do people even leave that? If anybody has any idea why anybody would leave, like, I want to know how to transfer currency to my wallet, and they give this wallet address. Like, how has that helped them in any way? I have no freaking clue. But anyway, look forward to seeing you in the next video. And remember, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.